Okay, morning everybody. Just outside here doing a little walk around on our snow. You can see it all back there. It's just a mess. So this is just my adventure for today. Go out and start sweeping snow and getting paths cleared and all that kind of good stuff. So, well, I hope if you like winter, you'll like this little video. You can really see where the snow's drifted up around here. At least the panels are all clear. It's real frozen snow, so it's not sticking on any of that type of stuff. Don't think I'll be cooking any steaks for a while. There's my wood pile. That'll be fun when I have to chop wood later today. There's my cars. With some nice drifts on them. Here's where I feed the birds. What's the matter? Is your feet cold? Get out of the snow, you dummy. Drifts all up here. There's one that's probably 18 inches deep. Everything over here is buried. My poor cars are all wrecked. Man, guess I won't be doing much out here this week. Don't look like my neighbor made it home this weekend. Wow. Boy, look at the snow pile up on that one. We've had no snow this winter. This is the first snowstorm we've had for the winter. I guess we had one back in, I don't know, November, maybe December. We got about 8 inches of snow that day. It melted, and within a week or two it was gone. And then we've had a couple smaller things. This is the worst one we've had. Oh. And of course, you know, it's like when we're hoping spring is here. And there you can see the sky. Blue sky today now. Yeah, what a mess. What a mess. Well, that's our March 2nd snowstorm. So I shouldn't complain too bad because I was just checking highway maps and things like that. And it's a lot worse every place else. There's roads closed all over. I guess Donner's Pass in California is closed. Tahoe, Reno is covered with snow. The mountains here are buried. Pretty bad. I guess if you like winter, it's kind of cool, but I don't like winter, so I hate it. So anyways, I'm just going to end this video because that's probably all the snow anybody wants to see, and I'll just try to do some more videos, you know, on this channel when the snow melts. So thanks for watching, guys.